GrowSurf makes it easy to launch a white-labeled Refer a Friend program for your self-service B2B SaaS business. Bringing a campaign to life can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. In this video, we're going to take it one piece at a time to create your first referral program. Once you're logged into GrowSurf, you can create a new campaign by clicking the blue button. You'll then see our Quick Start menu pop up. By going through our Quick Start, your referral program will be optimized for success when you provide a few key details up front. You're definitely able to make changes to your campaign at any time afterwards within the campaign editor. First, choose the campaign template Self-Service B2B SaaS from the list here because your main goal is to get more paying customers through referrals for your self-service B2B SaaS. In step 2, you will add branding. Type in your company name here. This will be used for set pieces of text, so keep it succinct. For this tutorial, we'll use an example company called Husto. Then, upload your company logo to be placed on your referral portal, email headers, and GrowSurf window. When you're done, click on the big blue Next button. In step 3, you're going to choose a color to apply to buttons and links in your campaign emails and user interface elements. You can choose one of these snazzy pre-selected color palettes, or you can choose your own with the color pickers here, like so. When you're all set, click the Next button. In step 4, you will add your rewards. Keep in mind, rewards should motivate your current customers to share and make referrals. Since your goal is to get more customers for your self-service B2B SaaS, a double-sided reward was added by default because that is best for provoking your participants to share and for their referred friends to be incentivized to sign up. If you're not ready, no worries. You can always skip this step and add rewards later. To upload a reward image, click on Reward Image. Enter the number of referrals required to unlock this reward. This reward will only be unlocked when the referred person ends up completing a qualifying action like completing the sign-up process and/or making a payment. Enter a reward name like $50 gift card, for example. Next, go ahead and enter a description of the reward for the referred person. Once you've finished, click on the Next button. In step 5, you will choose the social buttons available to your referrers to share their referral link by clicking or unclicking the chosen sharing options. Once you've locked in your final answers, go ahead and click on the Next button. In step 6, to reduce friction for when your current customers share their unique referral link on social media and email, you can choose to set pre-populated share messages on their behalf. These messages are written from the perspective of the referrer, explaining the main reasons why a referred person should sign up for Husto. In this top text field, you'll enter the pre-populated messaging for when your customers share on social media like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You'll want to write from the perspective of one of your current customers who is convincing their friend or family member to sign up for Husto. Describe Husto's offering, benefits, and be sure to include the main incentive for signing up. In this bottom text field, you'll enter a default short invitation email subject line for when customers send email invites to their friends, family, coworkers, or anyone else for whom they have email addresses. Keep it succinct and straightforward, writing from the perspective of a current customer convincing their friend to sign up for Husto. Click on that big old blue Next button. In step 7, we're going to set messaging that will motivate referrers to share and make referrals. In this top box, we'll want to type up 1 or 2 sentences to entice your current customers to refer their friends and family to Husto. What gets entered here will be used on your referral portal, user interface elements, and campaign emails. So write from the perspective of your company and really focus on what would personally motivate your current customers. In this bottom text box, you'll write a short headline that explains the Husto referral program. We recommend focusing on an altruistic message to provoke your customers to share more. Then, click on our friend the big blue Next button. In step 8, if you want GrowSurf to send emails to your participants on your behalf when certain events happen, like when a participant unlocks a reward, then you will need to enter your sender email information to be in compliance with anti-spam laws. So we'll enter the company name Husto and address like so. You can always skip this step and defer the setup to a different time if you prefer. Then give that big blue Next button a little tickle. Hooray! Now we're ready for installation. If you feel confident in your previous choices and you are ready for takeoff, click on the Fast Track It button to be taken to the installation step in the campaign editor. In this box here, you're going to enter a share URL, which is the web page that you want referred people, like the friends or coworkers of your participants, to land on. This should be a landing page that clearly illustrates to first-time visitors who you are as an organization and why they should sign up for your self-service B2B SaaS. Since it makes a strong pitch, we'd recommend using your current homepage here. As you can see, once you begin typing the domain, some additional questions will appear which we'll need to answer to proceed. If you have any questions or get stuck here, you can always reach out to us using the bottom right widget. Additionally, you can invite your development team to handle installation setup once you reach the final instructions page, as we will soon see. It's important to note that GrowSurf adds referral tracking to your existing new customer sign-up flow. What that means is that we will find your website's existing forms and attach invisible referral tracking onto them. The URLs we enter on this page within the campaign editor have to do with your current customer sign-up flow. Back to the URL setup. If husto.versoli.page is the same page where a new visitor submits their email address on your site, then keep yes selected. Otherwise, click no, then enter the web page that contains your sign-up form in this box here. If someone visits the page, after they fill out the form and sign up, are they redirected to another web page? If yes, then you'll have to look up that redirect web page URL, which is usually some sort of a customer dashboard page, and type it in the box here. Once you've completed filling out all the fields, you can click on the blue Continue button on the bottom left. You're almost there, only a wee bit more to go. Because GrowSurf works silently in the background by attaching onto your current customer sign-up flow, in this next step of the installation process, we'll need to choose the forms from your site to automatically track. Once a form is found, you'll just need to click it like so. Then, you can click the blue Continue button in the bottom left again. We're in the home stretch now! Now we're at the final instructions for installing GrowSurf. In the final instructions, you will 1. Install the GrowSurf Universal Code, which handles the referral tracking through the use of cookies. 2. Tell GrowSurf when to trigger a referral. And 3. Set up reward automation. At step 2, because we support JavaScript, a REST API, and a large library of integrations, you have total control over what counts as a valid referral. That means you're able to qualify referrals based on customer actions, such as when a customer makes a purchase. Know that our tech support is available via live chat with screen share to assist you or your development team in the installation process, so don't hesitate to reach out via the widget in the lower right-hand corner here. Before you launch, there is one super important area to cover: how you will share your referral program for promotion and visibility. We're going to click on the Choose a Way to Share button here to take a look at the options. In this first Share Link tab, we're going to talk about the GrowSurf hosted referral portal that is available for you to use right out of the box. This is a dedicated page that your referrers can visit anytime to view their stats, share their unique referral link, and track their rewards progress. You can see when we check and uncheck this checkbox, the URL changes, and that is because with the addition of this text, GrowSurf_email equals and the participant email address, it forces the view where your participants will see their unique referral link instead of a sign-up form. To see what I mean, I've already opened the referral portal for my campaign. Here's the sign-up form displayed because we're not passing through the GRSF email, and here, there's no sign-up form and the participant has immediate access to sharing options. If we go back to the Share Link tab, you can see there's a drop-down menu. That's so that you're able to copy and paste the exact URL syntax for whatever email service provider you use, like HubSpot or MailChimp. In the second Add to Website tab, you'll find embeddable elements and floating button. You can choose from the options below like form, referral status, stats, etc. to add GrowSurf embeddable elements to your website for a full white label look and feel. Here's a visual representation of that same example we saw earlier in the video. To guide you or your development team through the process, you can view tutorials by clicking on this hyperlink here. Finally, the last Add to Emails tab is for if you would like to display your participants' unique referral links directly in your customer communication emails. This is useful when you really want to reduce down the amount of friction in the sharing experience. You're able to connect to one of our third-party integrations via this drop-down here. To get started, select the email service that you currently use, like HubSpot or MailChimp. Once you have selected your email service provider, you'll need to connect, and to do so, you'll click on the service-specific instructions here, which contains a tutorial for the setup process. There's also another hyperlink here to view the various examples of HTML snippets that you can copy and paste into your email templates. Once you've chosen your ways to share, you're all set and ready to finish and publish your campaign. Congratulations! After you finish all the steps in this instructions page and click Publish, make sure to test your referral program from start to finish. Before you announce your referral program, be sure to reach out to us for a program audit call to ensure you're all set up properly and to go over a game plan for kickoff. If you encounter any roadblocks, have any questions, or generally need support in any way, we are here and dedicated to your success, so please don't hesitate to reach out via live chat here or directly via email, and we're always ready to help. Huzzah! Here's to a successful campaign!